Buying a used Mercedes can feel like getting luxury at a discount, but without the right knowledge, it can quickly turn into a money pit. Not every three-pointed star ages the same way. Some platforms develop expensive electronic and suspension problems after 100,000 miles, while others prove to be mechanically stable, predictable, and far less risky long-term. The difference comes down to engine design, transmission maturity, and how complex the surrounding systems are. In this video, you'll learn 5 used Mercedes models that stand out as smart buys, cars with proven drivetrains, manageable maintenance patterns, and real-world durability beyond warranty. We'll break down what makes them financially safer, what to inspect before buying, and why these specific versions avoid the common traps that drain owners' wallets. If you want Mercedes ownership without constant repair anxiety, this list is built for you. Let's start with the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W213, specifically 2018 to 2020 models equipped with the E300 2.0-liter turbocharged engine and the 9G tronic automatic transmission. This generation represents a significant improvement in build consistency compared to earlier E-Class platforms. The 2.0 turbo produces around 241 horsepower, but more importantly, it uses a refined version of the M274 engine paired with a well-sorted 9-speed gearbox that had already matured by this point. In real-world ownership data, the late pre-facelift W213 shows fewer electronic instability complaints than early 2017 units. The 9G tronic transmission, when serviced correctly, has demonstrated strong durability past 180,000 to 220,000 kilometers. The engine itself does not suffer from systemic internal failures when oil changes are kept below 10,000 kilometers. This combination reduces the likelihood of catastrophic repair exposure compared to earlier turbo Mercedes platforms. Before buying, avoid first production year models, confirm full transmission service history, and perform a full electronic diagnostic scan. Check for cooling system maintenance records and smooth shift behavior during test drive. When maintained correctly, the 2018-2020 W213 E300 stands out as one of the more rational modern executive Mercedes purchases. Next is the Mercedes-Benz SLC 300, produced from 2017 to 2020, equipped with the 2.0-liter turbocharged engine and the 9G tronic automatic transmission. This model is often overlooked because it's a compact roadster, but mechanically, it benefits from a simpler architecture compared to larger Mercedes platforms. The 2.0 turbo produces around 241 horsepower, and the drivetrain layout is straightforward, without air suspension or overly complex chassis systems. The advantage here is mechanical simplicity. No airmatic suspension, no large multi-module SUV electronics, and no heavy hybrid systems. The 9G tronic transmission in these years was already refined, and the 2.0 turbo engine has shown consistent durability when oil changes are kept under 10,000 kilometers. Many independent technicians consider this one of the lower-risk modern Mercedes sports models because it avoids the high-complexity systems that usually inflate repair costs. Before buying, check for proper transmission servicing, cooling system maintenance, and inspect the retractable roof mechanism for smooth operation. As long as maintenance history is documented, the SLC 300 stands out as a smart, under-the-radar Mercedes that delivers ownership without the typical money pit reputation. Next is the Mercedes-Benz GLC 300X 253, specifically 2019 to 2021 models, with the 2.0-liter turbo engine and the 9G tronic transmission. These later pre-facelift and early facelift units benefit from updated software calibration and improved electronics compared to the earliest production years. With around 241 horsepower, the focus here is not performance, but drivetrain stability and predictable long-term ownership. By this stage, the 2.0 turbo platform had already been in widespread use across multiple Mercedes models, which helped refine common weak points. The 9G tronic transmission, when serviced properly, has demonstrated consistent durability beyond 200,000 kilometers. Unlike larger SUVs, the GLC avoids overly complex air suspension systems in most trims, reducing the risk of high-dollar suspension failures as mileage increases. Before purchasing, verify full service records, confirm smooth transmission shifts, and scan for stored electronic faults. Pay attention to cooling system maintenance and avoid heavily modified units. When properly maintained, the 2019-2021 GLC 300 offers one of the most balanced combinations of practicality, reliability, and controlled ownership cost in the used Mercedes SUV segment. Next is the Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe C300, specifically 2017 to 2020 models equipped with the 2.0-liter turbocharged engine and the 9G tronic automatic transmission. This version shares much of its mechanical foundation with the W205 sedan, but tends to be less abused and often better maintained. Power sits around 241 horsepower, but the real advantage is the proven drivetrain combination. By these production years, the 2.0 turbo platform had already addressed earlier refinement issues, and the 9G tronic gearbox was fully matured. With disciplined oil changes under 10,000 kilometers and proper transmission servicing, many examples exceed 200,000 kilometers without major internal engine or gearbox repairs. Importantly, this coupe avoids air suspension complexity and does not rely on early mild hybrid systems. Before buying, inspect engine mounts, confirm complete maintenance records, and perform a diagnostic scan for hidden fault codes. Avoid neglected base trims with incomplete service history. When properly maintained, the 2017-2020 C300 Coupe represents a stylish but mechanically rational Mercedes that avoids the typical money pit profile. Finally, let's focus properly on a naturally aspirated V6 option. The Mercedes-Benz C300 V6 from the W204 generation, specifically 2012 to 2014 models equipped with the 3.0-liter or 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with the 7G tronic automatic transmission. These engines produce between 228 and 302 horsepower depending on version. But the key advantage is mechanical simplicity. No small high-pressure turbo running extreme boost levels, no early hybrid systems, just a proven V6 architecture that had already matured by the final production years. The later ME276 V6 engines corrected many of the early balance shaft concerns seen in older Mercedes V6 designs. When oil changes are done consistently under 10,000 kilometers and cooling components are maintained proactively, these engines regularly surpass 250,000 kilometers without internal rebuilds. The 7G tronic transmission in these years was already a stable, widely serviced unit with predictable maintenance costs. Before buying, confirm complete service history, inspect for oil leaks around the oil cooler and timing covers, and verify smooth transmission engagement. Avoid neglected high-mileage units without documentation. When properly maintained, a late production W204 V6 remains one of the most mechanically honest and financially rational used Mercedes options available. A smart used Mercedes isn't about finding the lowest price. It's about choosing the right engine and the right generation. The models we covered stand out because they use proven drivetrains, mature transmissions, and avoid the high-complexity systems that usually create expensive surprises after 100,000 miles. That's what separates a smart buy from a money pit. Always prioritize service history, transmission maintenance, and a full diagnostic scan before purchasing. The badge doesn't determine the risk. Mechanical history does. Comment below with the year, engine, and mileage you're considering. And let's break down the real financial exposure before you buy.